Hey friends, it's Cassie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel for another video. Today I wanted to unbox the brand new Sketch Plan Create Card Making Sketchbook. I am so excited about this. This is from Trinity Stamps. And I cannot wait to unbox this and share this with you because I'm all about the sketchbooks. I always have random books sticking around because I haven't quite found one that works perfectly for me. So I am very excited about that. All right, so let me open this up. Oh, check this out. Oh, it's a 3-ring binder, which means that you can probably add to it. This is so cool. All right, it contains one B5 size sketchbook and one tracing stencil. Organize and unleash your creativity and never forget a brilliant card idea again with the Trinity Stamps Card Making Sketchbook. This heavy coil bound notebook features 5 divided sections to capture each inspiring card making idea with templates for A2, A7, mini slimline, and slimline cards. Plus dot grid pages for custom sizes. It even includes a pocket page and a tracing stencil. So the notebook itself measures 9.5 by 11 inches, and then the inside, those pages are 7.25 by 10.25 inches. All right, so let's pull this baby out. Oh golly, it's so nice. It is so nice. It's this nice plastic cover, so you don't have to worry about spilling things on it. I like these coils. This is great. Oh, and check it out. Okay, so it does have this really great ruler with little sketch pieces to it. Oh my gosh, this just makes my heart so happy. I love that. I love that so much. And it'll fit in your pocket. Obviously, you could put other things in your pocket. So then we have A2 sketches, A7 sketches, mini slimline sketches, and other sketches. So let's take a look. Put your name in there so that you know who it belongs to. And then it tells you the panels, mat. Look at that. So if you have a 5 and if you want an 1/8 inch panel for an A2 sketch, and then it'll tell you what you could cut to get the mat. Isn't that great? No way. Look at that. Page upon page. This, oh my gosh. This just makes me so happy. So then you have them like this. You can sketch them like that. Project. You know, if you want to put down what project it is, maybe what the products that you've used for it, the date, and your color palette. I am so happy about that. And then you have a ton of pages in there for your A2. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Then if you move on to your A7, same thing. If you want an 1/8 inch panel, it'll give you the dimensions. If you want an 8 or a 16th inch mat, give you those dimensions there to cut the paper. Same thing here. I like how they're gridded out. Oh my gosh. I just love this. I am big on trying to sketch it out because it just helps me, one, to kind of have an idea of, you know, what a project is actually going to look like down on paper. Because oftentimes if I just go, it doesn't always work out, but this is great. And then you can hang on to those. This is amazing. And then we've got our mini slimline. So same thing here with mini slimline. If you want an 1/8 inch panel, 16th mat, that's great. And then the same thing here. Oh my gosh. And then some of them are that way. This is so great. But just because, like, let's say you wanted it to be landscape, if you like to go in order, just do it landscape, you know, however you want to do it. You know, that if you're just looking at it like so. Or same with this, you know, you're doing one like this. Sketch it out however you want. I think that's awesome. Then we have our slimline sketches. Same thing. Oh my gosh. I just can't get over how happy this makes me. This makes me so happy. And then other. This is great. So that way you can sketch out anything that you wanted. Maybe even if it's just ideas for projects that you have due or that you want to get done. I'm so happy about this. This is amazing. All right, so I'm going to have it linked down below, and that way you can go check it out if you'd like to. But this is a nice, sturdy book. Oh, golly, it's great. Oh, it just makes me happy. I would love to know what you think of it. Like, are you one of those that does sketches? Let me show you, in fact, one of the sketchbooks I have. So I was cutting out different sketches that I had, and I was drawing them out, and this was from years ago. So this one's an older sketchbook, but I still go back to it, and I talk about like maybe what there was challenges I used to do, and so I'd write down the sketch challenge. And so this is just a great way, but now you've got them all in here. And I didn't quite fill this one up, but this is I think my second book. I don't know where my other one is. But yeah, I love to keep sketchbooks. So this one is going to be, just going to love it. So I'd love to know what you think. Is this something that you're interested in? Do you sketch things out? Because if you do, I feel like this is something you kind of have to have. It's so great. If you like this video, hit the like button. Leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think. Subscribe if you haven't already done so. And I'll see you soon in another video. Bye, everybody.